Hi everyone, welcome to my website. So the purpose of my website is to display my photography and get my work out there. So this is my homepage. I decided to keep it nice and simple, and I chose to make a short slideshow with images of my recent photo shoot. And I didn't want to add too many images so it wasn't, distracting for the audience, and I wanted them to explore my site. So if we scroll down, I added a little bit about me and the photography I like to capture. So this is my about page, and it shares a little bit about my personal life and what I do and what I'm doing. And I added an image of myself, so I kept it simple as well and just kept the image on the right and text on the left. And this is my contact page. So I added the form as well here, and I also wanted to have another way to be able to reach me if you didn't want to fill out the form, and I added my Facebook, and it opens up to that link, and my Instagram as well, and Twitter as well. And now moving on to my portfolio page. I wasn't sure how I wanted to lay it out, so I decided to do just a simple grid instead and not make it too complicated. And it just shares a little bit about my photo shoot for each one, and the images I chose were just a sample of that session. And I was really pleased with the outcome. It looks really nice. And I also did that for my social media page. I did a little grid outline. And I decided to add the most recent, the one most updated and recent post that I always make on these, and that would be Instagram and Facebook. Just, to get to know me a little better. And each one also links to that page as well. And so in my footer, as you can tell, there's my practice, what we've been working on the first half of the semester, which was our Idaho Beekeeper website, and then as well as my style guide. So there's that. And that was my website. Thank you.